Hi friends, I'm Ruth and welcome to my channel Count Your Blessings. Today I'm taking part in the Using Trash to Create Treasure challenge hosted by Cassie over at Coffee with My Sunshine. I link her channel and the playlist in the description box below. Please be sure to check it out for all the other lovely entries. Now without further ado, let's get started. For my first DIY, I wanted to create this wooden sign. So I've been using this cardboard box and this wood grain contact paper. First, I'm cutting the cardboard to size. You can make it as big or as small as you want. This was going to go in my bookshelf and therefore I made it at that size. Instead of using contact paper, you can also paint it to look like wood. But since I had the contact paper on hand and since it was much easier, I decided to go this route. Autumn and fall reminds us to be thankful and grateful, with Thanksgiving just around the corner, and therefore I wanted to make this sign about being thankful. I wanted to write the verse, "For God loveth a cheerful giver," 2 Corinthians 9:7, #give thanks. Let me know if you like it. I wrapped some sellotape around the top to make it a bit more sturdier, and then I placed it on top of the contact paper and cut it down to size. You can choose whichever grain of wood you want, going lengthwise or breadthwise. I chose the lengthwise direction so that it will look more natural. This may not be the correct way to attach contact paper, but this is what I did. Let me know how you do it. I placed the cardboard in the center of the contact paper and I wrapped it around like a present. I didn't do anything much to the back as it will not be seen. Next, using a ruler and a glass marker in white, I measured the board to draw my lines so that I can write in a straight line. And then I wrote my verse. I used a washable marker. If you are confident, you can also use a permanent marker. But as you can see, I did make a mistake. This was easier to erase with my fingernail. You can also use a wet cloth or a dry one. Just using a pencil eraser, I erased off the white lines. And then to fill in the gap on top, I drew the sign. For my next project, I'm reusing these plastic bottles. And I wanted to try the chalk paint effect, and therefore I use this red and brown paint. And for the first method, I tried adding some baking soda. I did add some water to the paint because it was too thick. I'm not sure if that was a mistake I made. But this paint did go on well. Let me know if this is how it is supposed to look like. This is how it looked with a coat. And for the next method, I use this red paint with some metallic paint. And added some baby powder to it. This is what I had on hand. This time I did not add water to the paint. And this gave a better mixture. Unlike the baking soda, it didn't have a grainy texture. This had a more smoother texture. I did mix around with the paint because I couldn't get the exact shade, and these were how my finished products look like. And to give it a more finished look, I wrapped the top with some twine, white twine and jute twine, and gave it a coat of Fevicol mixed with water to seal in the paint. And these were my DIYs. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. Until next time, take care, God bless, bye-bye, Smile Jesus loves you. Oh yes, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Bye-bye.